TeamFullest, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my canal. So today I want to come and try something. Let's try it together and see how it works. I have been seeing this lying down in the store now for a while. One of the reasons why I never really picked it up is because I have a lot of lash glue at home and I feel like it wasn't necessary to pick it because I do have. But these days I misplaced one. Now I have only one, and I was at the Kruidvat and I saw that they have this their lash glue slash eyeliner. It was on sales. They have like 50% discount, and I thought, you know what, let me pick it up. It's not really that expensive. I've never really tried it before, so this is my first time. I already have my lashes. These are the lashes I like to use. I picked this one from AliExpress. Very simple, very natural. So this is what my eyelash look like. I have no mascara on. I always like to coat my eyes with some mascara before ever I go in with my lash. But because this is a liner slash glue, I'm first gonna line my eyes. I hope I don't mess up my makeup because, as you guys can see, I'm done with my eyes. So this is what it looks like. Let's first try it on our skin. Okay. Oh, really good. So, fingers crossed. Hope it doesn't mess up my makeup. I'm trying to come a bit close. First, I'm gonna try like this. Oh God, I'm so nervous. My hand is shaking. If I mess up this, I'm not gonna able to fix it. Is there anywhere you can press it down? If I mess this makeup, I can't fix it anymore. Okay, I just needed to sharpen this side. I think I can do that one with an eyeliner. Okay, now we've done that. I don't know why my eye is watering. I've already cut my... Ooh, okay. It is very sticky, very quick. Okay, now I'm kind of nervous. I feel like I have to go... Oh, I have to go at the top and fix the... Yeah. Oh, wow. At first I felt like it wasn't like much. It wasn't coming that much. But it stick real good. Wow. I wasn't expecting it to stick that good. I know my eyelashes are not really that dramatic. They're very like simple. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going in with my normal eyeliner and just shape it more nicer. Stay tuned. I'm going to try this one and I'll back to show you guys the finished result. I like it. I love it. I'm going to pick more. I'm really going to pick more. It's so easy to use. The glue, at first I was like, this... It dries fast. At first I thought it's gonna dry fast and the lash is not gonna able to stick, but the lash is sticking like, oh my god, it looks so good. And I don't really like to wear those dramatic eyelashes. I like to keep it more simple, more on the natural side, just to give my eyes a little bit of volume. But I really love it. So let me know what you guys think. If you guys have tried this, let me know. I'm gonna pick one more as a backup because since they have sales, yeah, I really love it. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get the rest of my makeup and then I'll be back to show you when I'm all dressed up. But let me know what you guys think. I love it. I love it. Pick it up. If you live in the Netherlands, pick it up. Pick it up because I love it. I'm gonna get one as a backup. So this is the finished result with the makeup and everything. This is what it looks like. Let me know what you guys think in the comment box, but I'm definitely gonna pick this one up, especially now that they have sales on it. It's 5%, 50% discount. I'm gonna pick one and just keep it as a backup because I really love it. It's so easy. You just do your eyeliner and at the same time you can just fix your eyelash and it just stays like, it stays intact. It's not moving. I really love it. And yeah, it looks so beautiful. Thank you guys so much for your love and support. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment box. TeamFullest. Peace out. Bye.